Hey everybody, Monty Reed here checking in on brightening up a dark workspace. This is the next phase. We did the bleaching and pressure washing yesterday, and today, even though the sun is out, it's about 80, it's still damp in here, so I decided to go ahead and put in positive air pressure. So we've got the fans blowing in this time. I've got this space heated with a propane space heater. This needs to be attended, so you don't want to leave this unattended. You don't want to walk away. You need to be around just for safety. And we've got this open up. It's still damp inside a little, but this will get the warm air passing through from that room into this room. And of course that door's sealed, that window's closed. And so the warm air comes in, it circulates, and then goes out. And I've got these doors mostly closed. If they're open all the way, you could have breeze coming in. But with the positive air pressure, it's blowing in from there. You can actually feel the air coming in, the warm air coming in. And that will help to dry it throughout here. And then part of this will probably later today put the heater in this compartment and change the air direction. But for now, that's what we got going on. That is just another update on lightening a dark workspace. And last night I had to bring everything in just because we didn't want to leave it outside and get dew all over it. So that is the update. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.